I'm Eden Bennett, and this is weight training for arthritis. Weight training for arthritis is very much like regular weight training, except that I will offer you modifications in case you have restrictions in your joints. Today's program will be a set of upper body exercises with weights. So these are 1 pound weights. I recommend anything from 1 to 3 pounds if you're used to it. A Poland spring or a 1 pint water bottle. Poland spring is nice because it has the curve, so it's easy to hold. We're talking about arthritis. To start, if you're completely unfamiliar with weight training, going through the program and just working on your form for the first couple times will be excellent. What I'm going to do is run through each set, and then I'm going to give you a pause. I'll say pause, and you can then pause the video and repeat the previous set. So example, 3 bicep sets in a row, or you can run through the whole set and do it up to 3 times if that's how you like to work out. So let's begin. We begin by sitting up nice and tall, and once we get our shoulders and our ears and hips in alignment, squeeze the belly and hopefully stay like this for our whole workout. We're going to begin with bicep curls, which are very simple. Arms are out to the side, upper arms stay put, and we're just going to bend and down. So for the sake of this video, I'll do 12. This is 3. You can exhale on the up and inhale on the down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I like to rest in my lap. Pause. So here you would go back and do that set again, or follow with me. The next is triceps. So there are 2 ways of doing triceps. This way with the arms up, and then the forearms come down and come up. So this one is really good. It has good impact. The arthritis friendly way is you're not going to feel it as directly, but it's great and it doesn't involve your shoulders. So I will always demo it that way because I've been certified by the Arthritis Foundation. So either way, upper arms don't move. In the lower position, your elbows are slightly behind you. And then you're just going to extend your forearms all the way back. At the end of the movement, there's going to be a flex right through this muscle, and that's your triceps. Triceps muscles are very important muscles. If you have any kind of problem with your legs, if your knee's bad, or if you've had replacement surgery and you need to get around and you need to get a little extra help getting out of the chair, that's going to be your triceps. Pulling yourself out of a car on one of those handles. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, pause. Overhead press, keeping that alignment in the torso, ears back, pushing straight up. So just know that if your shoulders have any kind of an impingement, you don't need to come to full extension. You can modify it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and again, rest on the lap. Pause. Rowing. Rowing is for your posture muscles. Notice how my shoulders narrow because I'm not just going back, I'm squeezing my elbows towards each other. 15 rows because it works with gravity. 1, remembering that end motion of squeezing. 3, 4. Notice how my shoulders are not going up. They're staying nice and put. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and rest. Here I would pause the video and go back and do that set 3 times. The second set involves more complex muscles. So I would take 3 minutes in between the 2 sets. We don't want to use the same muscles in a row. So now we're going to build just more complex muscles. Starting with a biceps curl, but then we're going to rotate the wrists and go overhead, back to the shoulders and down. Shoulders up, shoulders down, shoulders up, shoulders down. I like to alternate this with shoulders out in front. Down, shoulders out, shoulders down, shoulders out, and down, and switch it up and go up and down and up and down and up and down. Now out in front and down and out and down. This will be the last one. And rest. We're going to repeat our triceps. So again, you could do this way or the shoulder-friendly straight back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take a rest on the lap. Pause. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Arms straight out. Turn the palms. 1, 2, 3. Arms out to the side. Keep the shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. Turn the palms up. 1, 2, 3. Come down with control. And then we're going to do it in reverse. Up. 1, 2, 3. Palms flat. 1, 2, 3. Arms straight in front of the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Palms up. 1, 2, 3. Down with control. Rest in the lap. Pause. Second set of rowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't forget that end squeeze. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and a big hold on 15. Tuck the chin and take a deep breath. Counter stretch. Come back up. Last one. Keeping the shoulders down, slide your arms up your sides, extend your arms out to the side, come back in and come down. So this really will sculpt your arms. It involves a lot of muscles. Don't lift your shoulders. And down. So lifting the arms without involving the upper traps. And rest. Hands on the lap. That will conclude this workout. So you can repeat the first set 3 times. You can repeat the second set 3 times. If you're going to do an upper body program, I recommend every other day, letting the muscles rest in between. Thank you.